What's the meaning of Cl? Cl. Cl.
Cl. Cl. Cl could have different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In computing, Cl could refer to the command line interface, which is a text-based interface for interacting with a computer system. It can be used to execute various commands and perform tasks such as file management, network configuration, and system administration. In chemistry, Cl could be the chemical symbol for chlorine, a chemical element with the atomic number 17. Chlorine is a highly reactive gas that is commonly used in disinfectants, bleaches, and water treatment. Overall, Cl is a common abbreviation or symbol that could refer to different things depending on the field of study or industry it is used in.